Hello students, today we are going to start with the new chapter migration. Now what do you mean by the term migration? It simply means the movement of people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently in the new location. It can be individual migration, in family, units or in large groups. Now the place from where the people move out is called the place of origin. And the place they move to, that is the new place, is called the place of destination. One more term is associated with migration is migrant. Now migrant is a person who moves to some region or country for a short period of time, several months or a few years. Now migration can be permanent, temporary or seasonal. On this basis, there are four migration streams. These are rural to rural migration, rural to urban migration, urban to urban migration, and urban to rural migration. First, we will discuss the most common migration stream, that is about rural to urban migration. In this type of migration, people move from villages to bigger cities or towns in search of jobs, educational and health facilities. The desire to earn money causes them to migrate to urban areas. Now, second common category is urban to urban migration. In this category, people move from one city or town to other city or town. This may be due to better employment opportunities, higher salaries, or for education. Now we will discuss about two types of migration. That is, first category is immigration and emigration. When people move into a new country, it is called immigration. And when the people move out of the country, that is called emigration. I repeat, when people move into a new country, it is called immigration. And when people move out of the country, that is called emigration. The terms immigrants and emigrants are also associated with this. People entering a country are called immigrants, and people who leave the country are called emigrants. For example, if people move from India to USA, then it is immigration for USA and emigration for India. Now, second category of type of migration is internal migration and external migration. Internal migration means the movement of people within a country. On the other hand, external or international migration refers to the movement of people from one country to other. For example, migration from Bihar to West Bengal within India is internal migration. But when a person moves from America to London, that is external migration. Now we will discuss causes of migration. There are some pull and push factors which lead to migration. First, coming to pull factors. Now in urban centers, better education facilities, health facilities, jobs, they are available. This attracts people from other states towards these areas. This is known as pull factor. Other category is push factors. In rural areas, people suffer with conditions like hunger, poverty, unemployment. So these things force rural people to move to big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. This is known as push factor that cause people to move out from the regions or areas they live in. The main reasons which lead to pull and push factors are employment, marriage, education, lack of security, or political conflicts, etc. So today we have discussed about the meaning of migration, its types and causes. In our next class, we will do the impact of migration on society.